Hey there everyone, we are in Sammamish, Washington on a prime 1/5 of an acre piece of property. Behind me, 3,900 square foot, 5-bed, 5.5 bath, modern design construction. We literally just completed building 3 weeks ago. So let's go check it out. Feel amazed as we enter soaring 10-foot ceilings on the first level, and on the second level 9-foot ceilings. So I really love this open, expansive living room with the gas fireplace, beautiful luxury finishes, the cable stair railing giving it a little bit of an industrial feel. Of course, we are very modern, very new design, new construction, custom build. We've got a spacious main level with large living spaces, all sunbathed by the large windows. The chef's kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, quartz slab counters, and a 6-burner gas range. As well, we go down the hall, the south wing, I like to say, to the huge guest unit on the main floor that has its own kitchen and own entrance. On the upper level, we're seeing the expansive master suite with a 6-piece bath and large walk-in closet. As well, we have 3 other large bedrooms, and they all have their own baths. Another unique feature of this property. Amenities include the central AC throughout, radiant heating in bathrooms, heating coming up through the flooring as well. And another great feature, we are in a prime location in Sammamish, so we've got a large yard backing to a lush greenbelt. Greenbelt meaning no future building happening adjacent to the property, so you're always going to have this feeling in the woods. I know people are always concerned in the Pacific Northwest about additional building, taking down trees, and taking out views. As always, thank you for watching. I am your local real estate broker. If you have any questions about the property, reach out. If you like seeing videos like this and want to see more in the future, subscribe and click that notification bell. It's probably very echoey in here. So fun fact about tankless water heaters, you get instant hot water as soon as you turn it on. This is a gas-powered tankless water heater. 40 to 50% you're saving on energy costs because you're not heating this huge tank up and you're getting instant heat.